Welcome my dear class 9 students. In the maths class and in the e-learning class, to the student, whose parents have not allowed to attend the class. We are studying about the circle and some basic theorem we have studied. Just in a nutshell, we do the recap of those theorem. We have studied about that equal chords are at equidistance and equidistant chords are equal. Again, perpendicular drawn from center to chord, bisect the chord, and if a line joining from center to midpoint of a chord is perpendicular on it. These are some basics theorem which will help us to solve the question which we are going to discuss and also explain and solve. One very important question I am going to take, that is the question number 6 of exercise 10.4 NCERT book. In this question, it is mentioned a circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Sayyad and David, are sitting at equal distances on the boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So, two information we have given. We have given a circular park in a colony of diameter 20 meter. 3 friends, Ankur, Sayyad and David. Here is David, here is Ankur and here is Sayyad. They are sitting at 3 different points on this circular park, each having a toy telephone. आप देखोगे बच्चे खेलते हैं, उसमें धागा लगा रहता है, एक दूसरे से बातें करते हैं. बहुत बचपन में मम्मी पापा आपको मेला ले गए होंगे, उसमें खरीदे होंगे. From this we have to find out the side of each part of the triangle. आपको find out करना है. Then which means we have to find the length of SA, AD and SD. Okay. And only one information we have given. What is the second information? We have given radius is equal to 20 meter. We also have given AS is equal to SD is equal to TA, because it is mentioned that 3 friends are sitting at equal distance, which means this ASD is which type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. This information is the key fact to solve the question. Because the circle that is drawn, it is circumcircle around equilateral triangle. So you have to learn this one and keep it in your mind that the circumscribed, the center of the circumscribed circle around equilateral triangle is the centroid of the triangle. What I have mentioned, क्या मैंने बताया बच्चों कि if a circle is drawn outside of a circle, or if a circumscribed circle is drawn, it is the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle. We have to mention that center of the circumscribed circle of equilateral triangle is the centroid. Of the triangle. Okay. And what is centroid? Can anyone tell me what is a centroid? You have studied in class 8. Centroid is the point of concurrence of all the have given a triangle ABC. AB is altitude on BC. BE is altitude on AC, and CF is altitude on AB. So the point of concurrence or meeting point of this, all the altitude is known as centroid, and this is known as point of concurrence of all mediums, not altitude. Point of concurrence of, I am correcting myself. What is centroid? That point of concurrence of all medians is known as centroid, and centroid divide a median in the ratio 2:1. I will also mention this one. Here, centroid is the point of concurrence of all medians of a triangle, and centroid divide a median in the ratio 2:1. इस पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको ये दोनों चीज समझना जरूरी है और मेंशन करना जरूरी है, because directly you cannot use that 2:1. What is centroid? Centroid is the meeting point of all the medians of a triangle. This meeting point is known as point of concurrence in mathematical language, and centroid divide a median in the ratio 2:1. अब हम क्या करेंगे? This is the center, इसको बढ़ा देंगे यहाँ तक m तक. Now AO is to OM is equal to 2/2:1, because O is what? O is the centroid of triangle and center of circumscribed circle. CC means circumscribed circle. So AO is to OM is equal to 2:1. Out of this AO and OM, we have given the value of
20.
What 20? 20 is the value of which part?
Radius.
The radius is which part? AO or OM? AO. So AO is equal to 2 and OM is equal to 1 according to this fact. Now 2OM is equal to, we have given the value AO is equal to 20 and here OM is equal to 2/1. So 2OM is equal to 20, which means OM is equal to 20/2, that is equal to 10 means. Okay.
Yes.
One more thing you have to, this is one more fact is hidden, that median of an equilateral triangle is perpendicular on the base. Median of an equilateral triangle is perpendicular on base, which means SM is an altitude, SM is a median as well as an altitude. दोनों आएंगे. Only for which triangle?
Equilateral.
Only for equilateral triangle. तो यहाँ लिखा है SM is median and height of equilateral triangle. This fact is only true for which triangle?
Equilateral.
Only for equilateral triangle. In other triangle it is not true. That medians are not the height of the triangle. It is true only for which case? In which case?
Equilateral triangle.
Okay. Now height is equal to 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30. Okay. We are going √3/2 into A is equal to height of equilateral triangle. This is the formula. Root 3 upon 2a is equal to 30. So a is equal to 2 into 30 upon root 3. अब क्या करेंगे बच्चों इसको हम लोग rationalize करेंगे. That is equal to 60 root 3 upon 3 is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So a is the side of the triangle. A is the side of triangle, which means SA is equal to AD is equal to DS. SA is equal to AD is equal to DS is equal to 20 root 3. So only by solving this part you will not get full marks. You have to mention all the reasons and all the facts by understanding the basic concept. Are you getting my point? You understood? So please note it down, then I will start the new topic. God bless you, my dear students.